Okay, anyways. Hello guys, it's me, Joy, and today I'm going to be making Haitian pikliz. Yeah. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go get the ingredients started right now. But we have this Costco thingy. So I have this cabbage package, and also I have a question. Do you want me to just use this, or you want me to use what I meant by that is comment below if you want me to use a real cabbage and a real carrot, or you just want me to use this cabbage package. So first, I wanted to tell you that I actually washed the vegetables. I'm sorry, vegetables. And next, I'm gonna go with the cabbage package. So I'm actually gonna cut it right now. And make sure to always get your gloves or wash your hands before you do this. Okay, I'm also gonna use this water to clean it, but I'm gonna do it off camera to make the video not too long, you know. Okay, there we go. There he is. Okay, we got it on. See? Okay, this is my cabbage after washing it. Now let's get to the real business. Now we got these 3 peppers, and I like peppers, but you can add as much as you want. But I don't want it to make it too spicy. Well, I kind of do, but so what is? Okay, close the lid. You're gonna be blending it, and make sure to add vinegar. Okay. Now it's time for my favorite part. It even smells spicy. By the way, this is why you need gloves. You need gloves, so if you have to go put your hands on it, and if you put it in your eye, it's gonna be stinging. But now we're gonna put the pepper juice, I guess. Now it's time to cut the red bell pepper. You could add any bell pepper, but I decided to add red bell pepper. It's gonna make it really spicy though, so heads up. Now let's cut the bell peppers. You can use any color you want, by the way. Cut them to any pieces you want. Really, it doesn't really matter. So thick. This is what easier to do. There we go. I'm gonna cut it again into pieces. But this one's first. Now we have the onions, we're going to be cutting them small. Time to put the stuff inside of here. So I'm going to be adding some more carrots. I'm first going to cut this part. I'm going to cut it out matter. By the way, when I'm cutting this carrot, should I be pointing it to you or to me? But That's comment below. Comment below which one is the best way to do it. But for now, I'm going to be doing it towards you. Now we're going to put it into the cabbages. Okay, why is it jumping so much? Okay. Have the half one of it. We're gonna add 1/2 of salt. Okay, we're gonna be using a half spoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of Maggi. Then I'm gonna be mixing it. I'm gonna add some more vinegar to this. There we go. I added more salt because when I tasted it, I couldn't taste anything with this, so I added more salt. Just mix it. My pikliz is done now, and I'm gonna be putting it inside a drawer, but I'll comment below if I did a great job on the pikliz. And guys, make me happy, make me reach that 2K that I've been always wanting. And it would be really helpful if you would like, share, and subscribe with everybody. And by the way, have a great day. This pikliz mostly comes with Haitian dish. This pikliz goes for like fried chicken and bonne peze.